We're back again with another 100 today. We're gonna be playing, I thought it was the Bowsoo guy, but it's the Firecracker Fortunes. Something about the Western, I'm on the West Coast anyways. Where is it? Western Horizon. You know me, I love to look at the horizon. Just let's all sit back, relax, look at the horizon as the sun sets. But in order to do that, we have to win it all. So come on in with 100 and let's get the whole red, white, and blue up here, right? What's going on? How patriotic are we? You see red, white, blue. All right, here we go. We're gonna be winning it all tonight. There we go, the angles are no longer tangled. We are back again with 100, ready to win. First we gotta spin, and then, how much is the 5 cent? I'm feeling reckless. Go, 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 go. Oh, $2 on the 5 cent, that's not bad. We can try a few. Uh-oh, oh, that's it. Oh my goodness, the first spin we won. This is outrageous. We're gonna win the whole enchilada tonight, I feel it. Blast! Who's howling? The wolf. Oh my goodness, that's me. Dude, I love dogs. Do I have to raise it? No, I don't. I don't know. I'm here. It's new. It's a new game. Yeehaw, brother. Hit me. What is going on here? What a warm welcome. Okay, the blue. Let's get another blue. I'm thinking I'm figuring it out. Or green, or red. Wait, we need one of everything. Come on, give me something. Oh, don't do this to me. Hit me. Oh, they did it to me. Ouch. Well, who am I to complain? We are up. I'm coming up. I want the world to know. That's right, tell them. But we're not up enough for me to up the bet, obviously, right? Like, yeah, I can go to the 10 cent for a $4 bet. I could raise it on this for a $4, but come on now, we're only up by like $10, right? We can't get that out of hand. Now, if we're up by a few hundred instead of a few dollars, oh, you know me, I'll fast tap max bet this thing. Ah, what a life. Let me give you all an update on how we're looking up here, in case you can't see it on the screen. Hold on, let me fix it. There we go, we're fixed. Oh, the white went up by 1, it's okay. Well, we're down. I'm not complaining, I'm just narrating, right? Oh! What is that? Oh, we gotta get that for educational purposes now. Oh, come on. Choo! No one even increased. I've never been more disrespected by a lack of increasation. Increasing? What's the right word? Oh my goodness, the money. If nothing by 70, I'm gonna have to do something. Oh, no. Please. Oh, the red went up by 1. Oh, brother. Here, let's give an update. Alrighty. Here we are. Nothing. It could have at least raised it. What a life. Wow. The feather. Ready for some good weather. And if it's hot, do not wear leather. Okay, sometimes I have good rhymes, right? But here's my problem. Oh, my problem. That's my problem. That's exactly my problem, right? I don't even have to explain it. Like, why does it want to be mean to me like this? Huh? Don't look at the juice. All right, here we go. Okay, I'm not gonna move the angles that much because I don't want to disturb the like angling and dangling and tangling, but I will give periodic updates. How's that? All right, last one is nothing. Wow. Oh, come on. Wow, that's rude. Let's try the 2 cent for 160. I would rather pay 40 cents more and be on the 5 cent, but hey, you never know. We gotta try it all. You never know where the money is hiding. Oh. Wow. It didn't even get bigger. The blue got bigger. I thought that would be it. That's why I raised it up, but I'm so sorry, my friends. It's okay. Stay positive. It's coming. It's going to be a big one. Humongous. It doesn't even grow. That's so rude for it to have 3 colors and not even grow them. That's it. 1 cent. 160 again. I'd rather pay 40 cents more and be on the 5 cent, but you never know. The white one's the highest. I think white and red are the same. I mean, do I dare hit him with a 1 penny, 2 penny, 3 penny, 4? Oh my goodness, it panics too fast on the casino floor. Oh. Wow. All right, one more here. I'm just going back to the 5 cent all the way. And let me know in the comments, what would you do? Stop it. I was getting out of hand for, wait a minute. Oh my goodness, I thought it was 4. All right, this is not a paid advertisement or anything, but what is everyone's thoughts on the goldfish crackers? What do you guys think about the goldfish crackers? I like them. I think I like them more than Cheez-Its. Oh my goodness, the money. Oh man. Wait, hold on, I don't have any more money, guys. Calm down. I gotta get to the bottom of this. Oh man. I really came into this being positive, thinking I didn't need to sneeze, but you know what? Achoo! We must be in the puffin section. I don't know what's going on. It might be the smoke from the fireworks. Something. I don't know, guys. Please, we gotta get a bonus, a big one, please. All three at the same time. Okay, you know, I know we panic for the sake of like panicking or LOLing, but like, do any of you ever get so frustrated in the arcade that you're just like, fast tap that thing, tap, 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 go crazy on them? Or is that me just letting my frustration out and I'm the only one that gets frustrated? Sorry, I panicked. I don't think I panicked, I frustrated. What a life. Yes! No! What? Come on, brother. All right, everybody, fix your posture. Sit up straight. What is this nonsense? Wow. Oh my goodness. Can we all take a moment to acknowledge the red? It kind of reminds me of Nemo. He's just missing one little flipper over here. Come on now. Let me get this guy. What a life. Please, machine. I'm trying to live the dream. Go! Shoo! Nothing even moved. You know, when you're in the arcade, there are more cameras than ever. And I hope someone's watching me on the cameras like, yo, Bizzok is going through it. He's losing. Send him like $20 of free play. I don't know. That does not happen. I'm just LOLing. Ah! Well, the blue went up. But what do we do with that, huh? Ouch. Oh. Hello? Alright, if nothing by 40, then unfortunately I have to kick myself off, which I really don't want to do because I'm trying to be the star of my own show for once. You all know the animosity that I have towards Bob. He always takes over my show. Well, that's it. We are doing the ticket out.
See you later, partner.
Partner? What kind of a partner are you? You took all my money. Listen, I've had a few partners like that in my life. You just gotta keep on trucking. All right, it's no longer Bizzok. It is Bob in the building. We have cashed out and now we're cashing in. We're ready to win. Go ahead, Bob. Show them what you're working with. Bob! Bob, I never knew you were so patriotic with the red, white, and blue. Well, it looks like Bob's doing better than me already. Well? You know, this is like those videos where I say someone left me a full thing of hairs. Well? It will break my heart. It'll break. The blue went higher. It will break my heart if we have to leave this machine for someone else with all the things full. Come on, dude. Partner. Oh! Partner! What kind of a partner? That's just disrespectful, dude. Take your train somewhere else at that point. It's a joke on trains because they have to stay on their rails. They have no choice. They can't go left or right. Haha. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to make sense of this. I'm trying to make fun of this. I'm trying to make this an enjoyable video at this point. Go! Yes! Yes! No one even went higher? Oh my goodness. Wow, that hurts. I don't even want to sneeze into this again. But we haven't even been here for 20 minutes. Oh, wild out. Doggy. Oh, the miner for 50. Did nothing. What a life. It's okay. Stay positive, my friends. You know, I try not to ask as much as possible, but please, if you haven't already liked the video, please like the video. You know, I'm a firm believer of positive energy. And the best way to send some positive energy is to agree and send the like button. I don't know, guys, I'm panicking. Nothing. We have 3 spins left. Come on. I have a ticket for $4.67. I'm putting it in because I love you all so much. I'm dedicating my $4 to you all. As if I didn't just dedicate to 200 or 300. I think 2. Please don't let it be 3. Oh, 3. No. No. Oh, man. We really have 2 spins left before I have to leave this for someone else. Okay, before I get too stressed out, can we all acknowledge the fact that if this is how we have to leave it, if you ever see anybody ever post a video, even if it's not on this machine or if it's like a different machine, and they say somebody left me the full things, this and that, everybody, I need you all, honestly, as the Bizzok community, as a joke between everybody in the slot community, always make it a thing for you to comment on their video and say, it was probably the Bizzok that left either the full firecrackers, the full stacks, the full pot, the full this, full that. But I have faith. And shout out to anybody named Faith. Some people name their kids Faith. Maybe they have faith that they will turn into a good person. I don't know, guys. What do you want me to say, huh? We're in it. We got to win it. Hit me. Faith! Faith? What happened? This is just disrespectful. Well, we have 1 spin. Like the video right now before I hit the button. Because if you like the video and we win, I can say thank you to you. All right, here we go, everybody. You ready? In 3, in 2, in an upside down right because they were expecting the upside down left. Ouch. Well, my friends, I made a mess. What do I say? This is like Nemo. You know, Nemo has one flipper a little bit flippy, right? We're all a little flippy. One flipper here, one flipper there. Even with 5 flippers there, I'm not gonna lie, they're full. So if you ever do see someone else make a video, it doesn't have to be this game, it's a joke between us, I'm just LOLing, right? If you see somebody saying someone left me full firecrackers, a full pot, a full stack, a full this, a full that, just comment out of the LOL. Let's make it like an industry standard that no one else leaves these things behind other than Bizzok. But I don't think it's gonna pay us out. They've been like this the whole time of our video pretty much, so. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already liked the video, please hit the like button. We're just keeping it real, right? Most people would not post a video like this, right? We lost it all, we stacked it up, and we have to leave. But we gotta keep it real, so please hit the like button and I will catch you in the next one.